Hi there, we're gonna see how this colorful, beautiful packaging was done in this video. It was done both with back sealing method and side sealing method, and it was done with that rechargeable sealer. Okay, now get our stamp branding kit, which is good for you to brand your product. Get our stamp branding kit, our rechargeable sealer stroke vacuum sealer, our mini rechargeable sealer. Yes, get our impulse sealer, original impulse sealer, and get our heat gun sealer. Get our lined surface sealer, get our smooth surface sealer, get our 10 by 12 inches nylon pack for packaging bulky items. Then get our 4 by 24 and 3 by 24 nylon rule. Get our industrial nylons and our branding kit. Get all these things by sending us a WhatsApp chat. That's how you place your order. All right, in this video we're going to be packaging that quickly. No, this is a wrong way to package. Don't package your product like this. This is a wrong way to package. Follow the method I'm going to teach you here. We are going to be using this vacuum sealer stroke rechargeable sealer. All right, now I'm going to open our industrial nylon and show you how it looks like. You can feel it now. You can see how it looks like. It's good for packaging all manner of items, be it powdered products, be it grain, be it whole products, whatever. Now the height of each nylon rule, industrial nylon rule, is 7.5 inches. Okay, 7.5 inches. That's the height of the roll. So I start by folding it into two as usual. I folded it into two, then I get the measurement I want. Right now I need 4 inches length for what I want to package. So I cut it out with my pair of scissors. Here we're going to start. In this video we're going to do both back sealing and side sealing. Okay, so now I'll be doing side sealing. So I put my background nylon, which is a shopping bag, then I seal the side because I'll be doing side sealing here. All right, turn on the mini turn on the rechargeable sealer stroke vacuum sealer and seal for like 5 or 6 seconds. So I've sealed it by the side now. Remember that I said in this very one we'll be doing side sealing. Okay, all right. So the unique thing here is that we added the background nylon with our your normal shopping bag that is all over your house. Those nylon shopping bag, colorful nylon shopping bag, they are the ones we used to get this background nylon. So you cut the one you want for the background nylon. All right, so after sealing both the down and the side and I cut off the excess, it's time for me to do the branding. Watch my video on branding, how you can brand your product with our stamping kit, with Vital Rich stamping kit. Okay, after dropping the ink on the pad and distributing it around, the next thing is to brand. So I brand with our stamp, okay, with the stamping kit. So place your order for all these things by sending us a WhatsApp chat. You place order by sending us a WhatsApp chat. We deliver globally. It doesn't matter where you are. We are going to deliver any of our item to you. Now I've added the product, and then it's time to close up, to seal up. Very easy, very simple. With this our rechargeable sealer stroke vacuum sealer, sealing is easy. It doesn't matter whether you live where there is electricity or whether you live where there is no electricity. Sealing is very easy. If you have a solar panel in your house, you can use it to recharge it. You don't necessarily need to have electricity for you to use this. Whether you have electricity or you don't have electricity in your house, you can use this rechargeable sealer stroke vacuum sealer. It can even be your main sealer. Yes, it can be your main sealer. All right, so you can see we've packaged that one with side sealing. All right, so you can use any color of your shopping bag, whether it's yellow or red or black or blue, any color at all. That way, you know that once you brand on it, it will be conspicuous. Now we're going to seal the package now for back sealing. So I cut the size of the nylon I want, seal it up with the rechargeable stroke vacuum sealer. Okay, once I've sealed it, now I will push that sealed part to the back, because right now I am doing back sealing. Don't forget to like this video and share it wide. Keep on following me and tell your friends about Vital Rich Concept. Okay, share this video wide. All right, so I've already pushed that sealed side to the back. Okay, then it's time for me to cut the nylon that I need for the background, the shopping bag nylon that I need for the background. So I am getting the measurement I need for the background now. After getting the measurement, I cut it out with my pair of scissors. Okay, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Follow us for more tips on branding and packaging. Place your order for all our items through sending us WhatsApp chat. You place order by sending WhatsApp chat and we'll deliver to you anywhere you are. Now that I'm done adding the colorful background, it's time to seal. All right, so I seal the one end. Remember, I've sealed the back already before, because this is back sealing. The next thing is to brand. Okay, you can see our beautiful branding. So you can the ink for the stamping kit. There are 4 varieties of color. There are red, there's blue, there's black, and there's green. So you choose one. You choose any color you want, because each stamping kit comes with only one color, 100 ml ink. So you choose one color, either you're choosing red or blue or green or black. It will just beautify your packaging and make it so lovely. Okay, I'm sealing up now, closing up. Wow, wow, there's no shop that will not accept this. Anything you package and brand like this, there is no supermarket that will not accept this. This is also good for exportation and whatever you want to do with it. Do you want to do it, use it for gifting? Super beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch out for my next video and make sure you are winning consistently in your business. God bless you and keep winning.